Sexual reproduction in humans. Sexual reproduction is a natural way of reproduction and takes place in all multicellular organisms. This process involves two individuals to produce offspring. In this process, the male and the female gametes fuse together. The testes in males are responsible for the production of sperm in males, and the ovaries in females are responsible for the production of eggs in females. The sperm fuses with the egg during fertilization, which results in the formation of a zygote and gets implanted in the wall of the uterus. Now let's understand male and female reproductive system one by one. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of portions which produce the germ cells and other portions that deliver the germ cells to the site of fertilization. The formation of germ cells or sperms takes place in the testes. These are located outside the abdominal cavity in scrotum because sperm formation requires a lower temperature than the normal body temperature. The sperms formed are delivered through the vas deferens, which unites with a tube coming from the urinary bladder. The urethra thus forms a common passage for both the sperms and urine. The sperms are tiny bodies that consist of mainly genetic material and a long tail that helps them to move towards the female germ cell. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is framed to perform different functions. It creates egg cells that are essential for reproduction, known as ova. The female reproductive system is composed of a pair of ovaries along with oviducts, vagina, cervix, uterus, and the external genitalia that are located in the pelvic region. These parts, along with a pair of mammary glands that are integrated both functionally and structurally, also support the process of ovulation, fertilization, birth, and finally the child care. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.